What's going down, guys? DJ Marcellus here, back again with another video. In this video, I just want to show you a quick tip that a lot of people don't know about SoundSwitch. Is that what I'm going to do here is come down to my tube group. So I'm minimizing all these other groups here. And once I'm on my first tube, I'm going to hit the plus icon to add in a fixture. Now, I know I'm going to Astera, so I can just search Astera. And because I've done this before, and because I know our tubes are using a 80 channel mapping, I'm going to bring in the 80 channel mapping for the Astera tubes. So to do that, before you drag over onto the both lighting tube here, you want to alt click, and then you want to see this little rotating symbol. When you see the little recycling symbol, you will be able to replace the fixture that's there. So when I drop that fixture, you'll get this warning. This will replace the fixture in the venue with the fixture dragged from the library. The operation is not undoable, so keep that in mind, and completing this will clear the undo history. If the fixture has less cells than the old fixture, tracks will be removed, resulting in lost data. So if your tube only has a 40 channel programming or 20 channel programming, you may lose some of those channels that we programmed. So ideally it works best with pixel mappable fixtures. Swap any fixture for the inside of your project and save majority of the programming there. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to hot swap scenes now. One of the most advanced fixtures, a pixel mappable fixture. So in this demo, we're going to use the both lighting tube, and if we scroll down, we have our Astera tube. Now the downside of this is you will have to reprogram some of your static scenes, some of your attribute cues when hot swapping the fixtures, but the key thing is that all your auto loops will be saved for that fixture and mapped to that fixture. So if you go here to one of our prime time ones where we got some pixel mapping going, you can see here that all the pixel mapping is relayed over to the Astera tube. So, quick way to hot swap your fixtures inside a project, especially if you have more fixtures that aren't both lighting and only a few both lighting fixtures.